Gagamitin niyo yung Miss World platform as a lens para makita kung ano yung may tutulong pa.
Nice intro, nice ending. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine.
I'm Niley.
So yun guys, and for today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang Beauty with a Purpose ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024 as requested. And it's Zamboanga del Sur, that's Krisa Mendoza, requested by Mitch Enomar Cabrera. So nag-comment siya sa isa sa mga post natin for the Beauty with a Purpose. And sabi niya ay,
please react BWAP of Miss World PH Zamboanga del Sur. Please, please, please.
Wow. So ayan, and sinilip din natin siya, and I think it's worth watching din talaga, no, and worth supporting yung kanyang sinilip lang natin kung ano yung context ng kanyang advocacy or Beauty with a Purpose. And thank you so much for the suggestion. So without any further ado, let's watch this.
We're finally down to the last candidate, which is me.
Siya pala yung candidate number 35.
Lahat. Ako nga po pala si Krisa Mendoza from the beautiful
ang hirap din kasi pagdulo ka.
Kasi hindi mo lang pagod na yung Pero yun nga pala, kudos din sa mga sa member ng panelists and mga judges nung
kasi ang dami. Oo, tas
nakaka-drain yun. Nag-start sila ng 2 PM ata ba sa hapon, natapos sila ng gabi, mag-alas 9 na ganyan. Ang galing nila kasi ang gaganda ng mga advocacies na nakapasok sa as finalists, top 10 finalists.
Word which translates to see in English, but aspires so much in the action that we do to make a difference in the society. As a Zambusurian, I know that my responsibility here is not only limited with and showing what my province has to offer to the rest of the world, but also in knowing what can be done to uplift the lives of the people that make up the culture of my community.
Salita, like, she can communicate well.
I will forward myself with this mission in the hopes to uplift the indigenous people of my community in order for them to have a better opportunities in preserving their culture. And so, my delegation is just an instrument, but the very foundation of what I am here for is actually emboldened by the stories that the cultural people of my community.
Feel mo yung emotion niya.
I will be your last candidate in this competition, but I will never be afraid to put this mission first wherever I go. Once again, I am Krisa Benedict A. Mendoza, and with pride, I dare to look forward on what the future holds for the indigenous people in my community.
Ganda.
I dare.
Ang ganda.
Langtawa. Tignan. To see. Spoken by your lips, translated by your eyes. Journey with me as I look closely into what deserves to be seen by the world. A culture traced from the past and a culture that will be furthered in the years to come.
Napaka-poetic yet
as someone who comes from a community that overflows with rich cultural heritage, I've always known that our wonders were brought to life by the stories told and untold in the field of art, culture, and our people. The Sobanan tribe, which originates from the province of Zamboanga del Sur, is one of the cultural groups that region of Mindanao is trying to preserve and develop. The tribe, as portrayed in the mainstream media, has made it known that their culture and art is a widespread like no other. However, what seems to be distorted to most is the reality that the Sobanan faces a huge challenge in safekeeping the culture we've all admired.
So may good pa sa iglait ni cultural heritage namin sa labian naman ini gindawan ng daw gini. Haki nga ba ganda namin pagultanan sa kuting tulong itong mga bata para matapasok sunan namin magulang namin.
Correct.
how the Silbanan word hanggan, which translates to sea. I would like to use the Miss World Philippines as my lenses in the hopes to making a difference with the platform I am provided.
Bakal gapangan din namin, may candidate ni Miss World Philippines, Pibian din ni Tricia. Ako na yan ini mabalso, mapapayag dito kolon, Panginoon na niya nga subanan. Yan ini magbakay pason dito kolon, diniliwag doon niya, maaron niya nga subanan, Panginoon na niya gapa.
I am Kersha Benedict Astillero Mendoza, and I will dedicate my whole self to see the needs of our indigenous people. Tingnan ang kahalagahan ng kultura nito. Ug lantawon kung unsay mabuhat inaagi ani ng misyon. Because the beauty that matters is a beauty with a purpose.
Wow.
Nice.
Very strong ending.
Nice intro, nice ending. Sobrang, yung mga ganong klaseng topic, yung mga ganong klaseng advocacy or whatever you call it talaga na tatouch yung heart natin. No? Kasi,
Very close sa
culture and heritage
yung mga indigenous groups. Ganyan. And siguro yung tumatak sa akin dyan is yung nakakapanindig balahibo na sabi nung isang IP na if we don't prioritize teaching our children, we might lose yung...
Mamamatay talaga siya. And ako naman, sobrang nakakahanga yung bata kasi sa lahat ng pwede niyang ipakita sa mundo, yun yung pinakita niya, which is very, it's very admirable. Like, yung concern niya towards the culture and heritage na hindi siya namili ng ibang advocacy, kundi yun.
Oo.
Diba na...
Kumbaga siya yun eh. Connected siya dun eh. Ang ganda rin nung pagkaka-word niya na gagamitin niya yung Miss World platform as a lens para makita kung ano yung may tutulong pa dun sa...
Yung kahit na hindi man siya yung manalo, at least na i-present niya na makita ng mundo yung kanyang kultura. Tsaka yung culture and heritage nga ng Subanen na parang namamatay na.
Yes.
Or I think hindi lang naman sila, marami.
Yes.
Marami sa Pilipinas, and yung iba nga siguro wala na eh, di ba?
Yes.
Yun yung nakakahabag. Wow, nakakahabag ng damdamin. Pero what can we do, di ba? We are just, a simple na mamamayan, so wala din tayong enough power and resources. So, siguro ito yung magandang, katulad ng ginawa ni Trisha, it's a good way na at least maipakita sa buong mundo.
It's a matter of like yung putting the perspective there or shedding light kung ano yung meron sila. Spreading the word, ganyan. Ito yung tinatapos.
Malaking bagay na rin siguro yun in some way na hindi tayo aware na it makes kahit na hindi naman ganun it makes kahit hindi man ganun ka huge na impact, at least meron. Yes. So we're just we're just so happy na pinanood natin siya at sinundan natin yung suggestion ni Mitch and Omar Cabrera.
Thank you so much!
And hindi kami nagsisi na sinunod natin yung dalawang nag-suggest na panoorin. Thank you so much. Ganun lang din, kung may gusto pa kayong mapanood sa ating channel, don't forget to comment down below. Kung bago kayo, don't forget to subscribe or mag-follow na rin kayo sa ating Facebook. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!